Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Okay, so what were the levels for today's trading? So these are some key levels that are drawn for today's trading. You can see this is one selling area where new sellers got added in during the during this move in yesterday's trading session, and then this is one more selling area, and then key support levels are yesterday's low and also 52,000 around level, and also this level coming around 51,750 is a key level as well, just the starting point or initiating point just below this move, right? One more support level which is coming around 51,500. Okay, so these are the levels, and so overall I made a loss of about 8,000 in done and 5,000 change profit in Zerodha. So overall, it's around 3,000 of loss. Having said that, let's dive into our live trading session and see how we manage the trades there. Thank you. See you there. Bank Nifty is showing a bullish structure after taking the support around 52,100 above, and then premium is also breaking some important level. So based on which I wanted to buy 52,200 call here. Yeah, just bought 120 quantity because today is a weak start and the premiums will be high, and then yeah, SL should be a little you know little more than the usual SL, right? So that's the reason I took 120 quantity. Let's see how this trade goes on from here. Looks like Bank Nifty is losing the momentum after closing firmly above the 250 levels. Looks like we have to take the SL here in this trade. We were targeting 400 around their day's high. Yeah, that's the SL. We had to take a small SL, and we are in a loss of 1800 in this so far. And yeah, we'll let you know if I take any more trades after this. Bank Nifty is right now breaking below the 52,000 level. So just bought 120 quantity of 52,100 PE here, and we'll see how this trade goes on from here. That took away our SL in second trade as well. So order got executed on a very high price, and then we still kept of about 42 points of room for SL, and then still it got our SL hit because of the high premiums, right? It can easily move 40 points of premium just like that. We'll let you know if I take any more trades. Hello everyone, welcome back. So could not start the recording on time. So I've just bought the 52,100 put again. So you can see Bank Nifty made a small green candle, could not go above the 52,000, and retracing back towards the downside levels, right? Based on which I have initiated this trade. Yeah, so I'm expecting Bank Nifty to at least touch the 750 levels. Then maybe it can turn around and start an up move or something. But yeah, so at least it should touch 700, based on which we have initiated this trade. Let's see how this trade goes on from here. Did you see that, guys? So it was showing some 70 points of profit in this trade. It covered all my losses of the day, almost. But then in a flash, it came back again. So let me move the stop loss, trial the stop loss a bit, since I don't want to give too many points here in this trade now. Yeah, that's one key takeaway. Never take your eyes off the screen whenever you are in an option buying trade, right? So I was looking at something else for just a few seconds and it reverted very fast. Let's see how this goes on from here. That took away our Russell, guys. So we had to pay the price, not watching at the screen just for a couple of seconds. Okay, so we'll let you know how the day goes on from here. Everyone, welcome back again. So after that, I didn't trade in Dhan. After that, I closed the day. I had to close the day with 8,200 loss in Dhan, and then I got a good opportunity in. When Bank Nifty took support at this level, I initiated a long trade here and in Zerodha. So I initiated a long trade here. So I bought call, and then I was in a very good profit during this move. And then this big red candle took away my SL. I was targeting this area right here as my target. Okay, so that was the first trade. Second trade I took somewhere around here, the call buy again, and then I had to exit cost to cost because of these choppy moves around here. And then you can see Bank Nifty after taking support around this area, it made a double bottom or a W pattern, and also that it is making a higher high every time, right? Higher low every time. And you can see constantly it is hitting this resistance. I will call this kind of resistance as a minor resistance, which forms just above the support level. Okay, so it hits here this resistance, almost here, and then constantly hitting this resistance and just grab the liquidity just below this consolidation zone, and then closed a very strong green candle just above this resistance. Okay, this is where I have initiated the long trade in Zerodha and captured about some 8,000 or 70 points, just above 70 points during this move, right? That was a third trade. So let me show the order book. So this was order book. So this was the first trade. I had to give away some few points here, and second one, it's a cost to cost trade, and the third one I have bought 51,900 CE at 400, and closed the trade at 472 around, right? Captured about close to 72 points in this trade. And yeah, so overall we made a loss of 8,200 in then, and on a profit of close to 5,500. Overall, the we closed the day with 300 loss. And one good learning is that, so never take your eyes off from a option buying trade, right? So that's one thing, and the second thing is stick to rules, and then profit and loss is just part of it.